What is up guys? In this video we will be learning about view renderables. So let's quickly set up the project. Add Sceneform dependency, add Java 8 support, hit sync now. Go to the manifests file, permission camera, feature camera, metadata. Go to activity main.xml file and add a fragment with an height match parent, ID fragment, and the name. Go to main activity.java file, create an object of AR fragment, which will refer to the AR fragment in the activity main.xml file. Cast it to AR fragment. Set this on tap AR plane listener. Create method create view renderable and pass the anchor from the hit result. Press Alt Enter and create this method. Now view renderables are built using the view renderable builder. Set view. The first parameter that goes is the context and the second is the view. So it's gonna be r.layout.test and we will create this test later. .build .then accept. Let's create this layout. This layout will contain a view pager. We are just gonna show a few pictures in this view pager set with an height to match parent and give this an ID view pager. Now in Sceneform, by default 250 dp represents 1 meter in the real world. Accept the view renderable now and create method add to scene, pass view renderable and the anchor. Press Alt Enter and create this method. Create an anchor node on the given anchor. Set its renderable to view renderable and then add this to the scene. Now extract the view from the view renderable. And create an object of view pager. And find its ID by calling view.findView by ID. Now create the adapter for this view pager. Call this adapter. It will extend pager adapter. Press Alt Enter and implement the method. You will also need to implement two more methods. So press Ctrl O. Implement instantiate item and destroy item. Create a list of integers. Call this images and create a constructor. This will take list of integers as its argument. Now this dot images equals images. Now create the layout for the pager item. Call this item and root element will be image view. Give this an ID, image view, and set scale type to center crop. Now in the destroy item method, call container.remove view. What view? The object, which is of type image view. In the get count method, return images.size, and in is view from object, return view equals O or not. Now inflate the item, get layout inflator, inflate r.layout.item, view group container, attached to root false. Extract the image view, find by ID, image view. Image view.set image resource, images.get position. Add this view to the container and then return this view. Now create a list of integers. New array list. Now images.add r.drawable, and we have two preloaded images in our drawable folder, so we will use both of them. Background images.add r.drawable dot foreground, and copy and paste this. Paste it again, and I think this many images will be enough. Now create an object of this adapter and pass this images as its argument, and set the adapter of this view pager to this adapter. And that's it, we can run our app. Look for a plane. Our plane has been detected. Tap on it, and our view has been rendered. Let's try swiping it. As you can see, it works. It works perfectly fine. So this video should have been helpful to you, and if it was, then give this a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.